Want to create some product descriptions. This is going to use a couple of different agents to really ensure that your product descriptions are accurate, quality, and they match your brand requirements, the way that you talk about products on your website. We're not just trying to copy and paste whatever the supplier has on their website. We really want to tailor it to your target audience for your company. We've heard from some of our customers that they have to manually go and do this. They'll have to go to the supplier's website, look up information about it, and then bring that back and manually write a product description that features that information. Because sometimes the supplier doesn't give you the information that you need in order to write a product description. So this agent is actually doing a lot of work for you, where it's going to go search the internet, and you can configure that to say, these are the sites I want you to search. These are the sites I don't want you to search. Or you can leave it completely open-ended. And that can be configured on a per flow basis. So you really have a lot of flexibility with how you want these agents to operate. The brand rule agent is designed to really intake a lot of the rules and requirements that you have as a brand and apply the ones that are relevant. So we've got a customer who's got like a 70-page brand Bible that has tons of different rules for their copywriting teams. Things about every different category, things about SEO, things about licensing and trademark agreements. What you can do with this brand rule agent is essentially give it everything. And then when you input a product and say, only apply the rules that are relevant for this particular product, it's going to pull out those relevant rules and ensure that those get passed into the next step, which is to actually generate the product description. You can centralize it once, you can have a central place, and then it's just going to pull the ones that are relevant to the product that you're trying to describe. So this last step here is that it's going to generate a product description, and then we can review it as well. For this product description use case, maybe you have a product information system like a PIM or your e-commerce platform. You could actually trigger this when a new record is created in that PIM system. So there's a new record, maybe there's an image in there, maybe there's some attributes, whatever you've got, that could actually be the trigger to this flow. It will go through and do that automated process, generate your product description, and save it back into your PIM. So within a couple of minutes of the time that your record is created in your PIM system, you could have an enriched product description already there and ready to use. So this is that product description that was written. It's pulled in quite a bit of very specific information because we gave it the exact product name. It was able to go to the supplier's website and find all this information exactly. So the real great thing too is you can modify this. So if you're a copywriter who's responsible for writing product descriptions, you can make any edits you need. So all of that is configurable in how you set up your flow, but I can make those edits, approve those edits. And then, like I said, the next step in the flow could be to save that directly into your PIM or into our CMS, wherever you need this data to go.